Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use the Canva app to make a resume. First, open the Canva app on your device. Then, use the search bar to find Resume Templates. Browse through the options and select a professional design that aligns with your career field. Look for a template with a clean, organized layout to ensure your information is easy to read. This initial step sets the foundation for a great resume. Now, let's customize your chosen template. Click on each section to replace the placeholder text with your own details, like contact information, work experience, and education. Feel free to adjust the fonts and colors to create a resume that truly represents your personal brand. Remember to keep it professional and consistent. Make sure every section is relevant to the jobs you're applying for.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation: making a great resume can be a lot of work, and so can meal prep. Make your life easier with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
When adding your content, focus on impact. Use strong action verbs to describe your achievements and responsibilities in previous roles. Whenever possible, quantify your accomplishments with numbers, like increased sales by 15% or managed a team of 10. This makes your resume much more compelling. Finally, proofread your entire resume meticulously to catch any grammatical errors or typos. Once your content is perfect, fine-tune the formatting. Adjust spacing and alignment to ensure a clean, professional look. When you're satisfied, download your resume as a PDF file. This format ensures your resume looks consistent across all devices and preserves your design. Don't forget to save a copy within Canva so you can easily make future edits and updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.